it's me.
Me who?
Me, Stan. You just asked me if I was...
I'm sorry. There's no one here named Stan.
I see. Okay, very funny. Could you let me in now?
I'm sorry. There's no one here named Millie.
I never even said the name Millie, so how do you know I'm looking for somebody named Millie?
You're breaking up. I'm going into a tunnel.
Your condo's going into a tunnel. Come on, Millie, buzz me in.
There's no one here named Buzz. Do you mean Buzz Aldrin, the famous astronaut? Hello? This is Buzz Aldrin. Who is this? I'm kidding, Doc. It's me, Millie. Come on up. You in, Doc? Ah, you're staring at my door. Buzz, is that you?
Wow, you are really committed to that gag.
Thanks. Come on in.
Wow, nice place.
Yeah, gets me from A to B. Can I get you a cup of coffee?
Sure.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Well, where are you going?
There's a coffee shop down the block.
Oh, well, don't. I mean, I just thought you had it here.
No, all I've got is creamsicles and pie.
I like both of those. You, just moving in?
No, been here a month or two. What is this? April?
September.
You lie.
No, it's September.
Really? We should probably unpack some of this stuff. Okay, pies. Apple or shepherd? I think this writer submitted the same exact manuscript 2 years ago.
Did you publish it?
If I'd published it, why would he... What are you doing over there?
Same thing I do over there, except this chair is way more comfortable.
Could you just sit up at the reception desk, please?
But this chair is awesome and there's magazines to read.
Well, maybe if you think real hard, you can figure out a way to take one of these magazines with you.
Yeah, but getting this chair over there...
Leave the chair, take a magazine, and get back to your desk. And would you take care of this plant? I'm going to the bank.
The bank? You're gonna tell Daddy just because I wasn't at my desk?
No, I'm gonna sign mortgage papers. Your dad will say, so, how's my little girl working out? And I'll say, fantastic, she's sharp as a tack. Then I'll sign the papers and own this building.
And then can I go for lunch?
Sharp as a tack.
It's kind of hard to eat pie with popsicle sticks.
I can't remember which box my silverware's in.
So you've lived here 9 months, you haven't unpacked?
I've unpacked some stuff. Bingo. And my toothbrush?
Well, this is good. I mean, I came here to see how you live, so I could get inside your head a bit, see what makes you tick.
So what's this scoop, Doc? Am I nuts?
Oh, I wouldn't say. I mean, that's not the proper, even if I thought you were. We don't say nuts.
Coconuts?
Listen, who's to say this isn't perfectly healthy, right? Maybe it's smart to leave all your stuff packed until you decide you really like a place.
I love this place. I want to live here till I'm 190.
Probably safe to unpack then.
You know, you're right. It's about time I made this place my own. Put my stamp on it.
Good for you. Where do you want to start?
I'm gonna paint my front door.
How's Crystal today?
Who are you talking to?
You? Isn't your name Crystal?
Yeah, but you said how's Crystal like you're talking about me, but to someone else.
It's just a fun kind of thing I do. People like it.
They do?
Not always.
Was there something else?
If you have a minute, yeah, I'm here to see Joyce.
Joyce, there's someone here to see you.
Taylor is.
Tyler is here to see you.
Taylor.
Joyce, hello.
Wonder why I'm not answering. I must be busy.
Oh, I didn't know you were out.
I told you I was going to the bank.
I think I would have remembered that.
What do you want, Taylor?
Oh, Taylor's here to see you.
I was just in the hood. Thought I'd pop in and see how the European numbers are for Millie's new book.
0.
Oh, no. Oh, no, that's terrible. I mean, it's not terrible. Like, don't panic.
Millie's book doesn't go on sale until next week. Glad to see you're on top of things.
It's my job.
I'm not sure I understand the point of painting your door.
Changes the color.
I understand what the result will be. I'm just saying you got a lot of boxes in your condo, and, there doesn't really seem to be anything wrong with your door.
It's not purple enough.
Wow. Well, problem solved. What would you call that, nuclear purple, or?
Excuse me? What are you doing?
See? Everyone wants in on the action. It's like I'm Huckleberry Jim. Grab a brush, neighbor. I mean, grab your own, but okay, you're excited.
You can't just arbitrarily decide to paint your door.
Oh, you need primer first.
It's not arbitrary. I've been thinking about this since, what is this, March?
When you bought your condo, you signed an agreement which states that you cannot unilaterally alter the conformity of your condo's exterior aesthetic.
Yes. However, the one thing that you didn't take into consideration was... Oh, you better step in, Doc, before I go Three Stooges on this jerk.
Oh, hi, I'm Stan Durko.
Louis Farwick, I'm head of the Homeowners Council for this building.
Where do I know you from?
I'm head of your Homeowners Council for this building.
Deja vu.